Welcome to 6 tips to prepare your GP clinic for medical student placements. Among the many things a practice can do to prepare for medical student placements, there are 6 key areas that stand out time and time again. This video will discuss these 6 areas which, when prepared correctly, can ensure a smooth placement and a positive experience for both the student and the practice team. These areas are covered in more detail inside the training module, Preparing Your Clinic for Medical Students, which is available at www.gpstudentplacements.com.au and is relevant for all practice staff. The training module also includes insights and tips from practice managers and GPs who currently have medical students at their clinics. So what are the 6 key areas to prepare in order for a smooth student placement? Number 1. Make the clinic and practice staff student ready. Putting together a short orientation pack will help the students find their way around your clinic and their placement. Having a list of staff members and their roles, as well as key practice policies and procedures for the student to get familiar with, will go a long way in helping them settle into the GP clinic environment. Number 2. Create a plan of activities the student can do during their placement. Medical students will benefit from understanding the many facets of general practice. During a placement, students will spend time with their GP supervisor, but they also benefit greatly from having the opportunity to spend time with the reception and administrative team to learn about Medicare billing and item numbers. Spending time with the nursing and allied health staff will help them see the different points of care patients receive in primary health. Number 3. Informing your patients about the student. Decide which approach to use when informing patients of your clinic that a student will be on placement at the practice. It is also a good idea to plan beforehand how you will obtain your patient's informed consent for the student's involvement in consultations. Number 4. Have all relevant forms and templates ready for easy access. This includes documents the students will need to sign, such as privacy and confidentiality agreements or emergency contact details. It also includes forms which will be used by other staff or patients of the clinic, such as consent forms for patients to agree for the student to be part of their consultation or to perform an assessment or other clinical procedure. Number 5. Have a clear understanding of insurance arrangements in place. This will ensure the practice, the student and your patients are protected at all times for the duration of the placement. And number 6. Understand the financial impact of having a student at your practice. Get some clarity around how the student placement may affect the practice financially or in terms of staffing resources and patient flow. The Practice Incentive Program, or PIP, provides funding which can assist the clinic to recover costs for time and resources used during the placement. Preparing these 6 key areas before a medical student arrives at your practice will make the placement experience a positive and enriching opportunity for all involved. The training module, Preparing Your Clinic for Medical Students, covers detailed information on each of these 6 areas, as well as including all the ready-to-use templates you will need to help your practice hit the ground running with placements. The module is presented in a user-friendly and step-by-step video series with notes and resources available to download for your reference. A Continuing Professional Development or CPD certificate is available for participants of the module. This certificate is also a great resource to have available at accreditation time, as it demonstrates your clinic's commitment to support quality practice and to help develop the next generation of medical practitioners. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you register for the training module, Preparing Your Clinic for Medical Students, available at www.gpstudentplacements.com.au and get the tools you need to help train the future healthcare workforce of Australia. As it's often the case, students you help train today may become the future GPs in your clinic tomorrow. So register now at gpstudentplacements.com.au. Thanks for watching.